go! Pull your cars out! Man, I wish I had a Zanky. You guys are probably freaking out already in the comments like, yes, I do not need another car. Oh my God, I do not. Trust me, I need to catch up on my other cars. But things lined up where I decided buying this car would be in my favor today. So, as you get 2-for-1 deal. Okay, as you guys know, I've been going insane because we had so many motor issues with Nissan, right? Started up, instant rod knock. It's a big shame. So I ordered everything to rebuild a whole new motor, start from scratch. And unfortunately, I found out the last couple of days that a large portion of the parts for the engine and all of the options available for it are on back order. Comes to find out, we can't get the motor built back up for probably another month. And I couldn't fathom not touching that car for another month. I mean, as you guys know, we've been working our asses off to get that thing done. I need it together as soon as we can. So what I decided to do was to try and find a stock KA that we could throw in like we wanted to from the beginning and just enjoy the car for a little bit, because we could still make decent power. We could make 250 horsepower, which is a lot in that car, and it'd be a blast. And I searched and I searched and I searched for the last couple of weeks trying to find a clean stock KA that is just worth owning that car. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it until I found this thing. So honestly, I was really trying to find a coupe with a KA in it, so it was a 2-for-1 special, right? Because I need a roof, I need an engine. Unfortunately, 240s are getting kind of scarce, and these things are getting expensive. So I got a really good deal on this car from a friend. I couldn't pass it up. I should be able to pull the drivetrain out of this thing, and if I decide to sell the shell, I'll probably get my money back, no issues. If not, we could save it for another project. Or I know a lot of people are probably going nuts at me in the comments saying, see, you should have swapped it. You bought 6 KAs already. What's your deal? Well, unfortunately, who would have expected this to happen? You know what I mean? I tried, I really did. Doing this stuff, we have some constraints. We're trying to save some money, and unfortunately it bit us all in the ass. And I'm still happy it's KA. We can continue on, and we're gonna complete our mission that we started, and we're gonna have a banging ass car, so let's check it out. Oh, buddy. Whoa! Aftermarket trunk latch cable. I like it. Look at this. Ready? Wow. Wait for it. Ooh, dude. Ooh. It actually works. Oh, we got a fishing. We can go fishing. Look who made out this time, baby. Fishing vlog coming soon. No, okay. All right, what else do you got here? Some plastic restore, about $7 worth of tools. Got a fire extinguisher. Very good. Is it expired? Ooh, some brake fluid. That's a good sign. Wow, look at the trunk cable, man. That's crafty. That's some engineering stuff right there. Yeah, well, works better than Josh's, I'll tell you that. That is true. I haven't been able to get in my trunk in months. Moving on. The body is great shape. The inside, it could be better. Like over here, you can see he cut the carpet, which he shouldn't have done. But the dash is in good shape. Oh my God, look at that hydro. The seats. Is this a thing? Do people put these on? Yep. It does not work. Oh, what size socket is that? That's a socket? Yeah. Short, custom short throw shifter. It's got a drift line. She's ready to drift. Yeah. Probably because the hydro doesn't work. Okay, well, can we just make a quick statement about how freaking expensive S14s are getting on the Northeast right now? Yeah. Like, every S chassis. Dude, it is not just S14s. Yeah, it is absurd. Big thing is S14s, I swear to God, rotted out faster than the S13s did. So finding a rust-free S14 is almost harder than finding a rust-free S13 these days. Yeah. Just nuts. All right, whatever. I'm gonna quit talking.
Engine.
No, let's come to the front, right? We got 5 lug. That's a huge plus. Because only the SE S14s came 5 lug. They're all 4 lug, so that's a plus.
Super edition.
We got wheels that have tires on them. That's always a plus.
Yay.
And then this bitchin' carbon fiber hood. I know DJ wants to trade me for his mint OE hood.
I've been thinking about it.
Yeah, we were trying to close this thing for like 20 minutes. Fenders, great condition, right? Right? Kind of hard to find. This is the bread and butter of all of this. First off, Hoonigan Special Edition KA 24 intake. Hurt, I know you wish you had this on your S13. If you want, I'll send it to you, buddy. Just let me know. A nice modification to the engine harness.
Always good.
Always great.
Megan's strut bar.
Okay, first off, can we talk about why it looks like the engine was lit on fire?
At first, I thought they faded.
Look at this.
The valve cover, but
Yeah.
with a little digging.
There's no way this hasn't been on fire before.
This back here was definitely on fire.
Oh, it's sick.
There was some pyrotechnics
Pyrotechnics.
going on.
Okay, well, moving on from that, it runs, you know? That's a thing.
We did drive it here.
Which is huge.
It only revs to 2,500 RPMs because, as you can see, there is no MAF signal.
The more he's talking about it, the more he's like, but it'll be great.
How not to be a salesman.
There's a lot of positives here,
It's
right?
gonna be great. Jimmy, I'm not doubting your abilities whatsoever. If anything, I'm encouraging them.
Let's hear it run, okay? Because that's why we're here, right?
Yeah.
That's why we're here.
Start it up. Good start.
Did I just jinx that? Fuck!
Sure enough.
Which wires were supposed to be touching? All right.
There it is.
First try.
Runs great. Luckily, we're literally gonna only be using the long block of this thing, you know? All right. Sounds nice. Listen to it. It's not bad. I'm not proud of this, all right? I'm not proud of this. But hey, we're out here just trying to make moves, trying to make things happen, and unfortunately, no, this is great, dude. This will all work out mint.
What was that?
What is that? Is that coolant?
Power steering?
What the?
I'm not sure.
That's bad.
Did you not even try to do a burn?
I did, that was me trying.
It only revs like $2,000. What
It's
is
all
it?
that power steering fluid that was bubbling
What
over.
is it?
Maybe it was just windshield wiper fluid.
Really?
Wow, that would be too convenient.
Yeah, because like the windshield wiper fluid thing is all wet.
Really?
Well, that was best case scenario. Maybe this will make me like it better. Yo, what fire damage? I should have power washed it before I showed you guys. This is okay. Everything's okay. Don't worry about it, alright? Alright, this thing looks surprisingly way more presentable. I wish I even washed it before showing you guys. So the engine bay, yes. Okay, you gotta be sketchy. You gotta be very careful when you power wash the engine bay. Obviously there's electronics, there's places fluids getting into the engine. For me, we're good. Everything's broken anyway. It looks amazing now. I mean, amazing, but check it out. It's presentable. You know, you look at it and it doesn't look like, one, it was on fire, and two, it doesn't look like it was neglected like it did about 20 minutes ago. So I feel a lot better about the purchase now. It's a good looking car. I gotta make a statement real quick. We were just talking about this, right? I've been looking at 240s like crazy the last couple weeks just because, you know, of this and the coupe and everything. And
Is this your trigger?
yo, this is my trigger spot. Like, it is crazy. Like, I know 240s are 240s, right? So people have this thing of, oh, it's just a 240. People gotta start trying, dude.
Tell them, don't tell me.
Oh my God, I am so disappointed. 240 owners, try a little harder, dude. How, it is so rare that you see like decently put together 240s.
When
So
little things do that, it won't take that much time to just like do it the correct, proper way.
unreal. Like I can't. I can go on and on about examples, but please, being my subscribers, if you guys care anything about what I have to say, just try that little extra bit. I swear to God, it's not that much more time, and it's so worth it. Or else you just end up with just a bunch of crappy mods stacked on top of each other, and it just feels like a giant turd. You know? Don't do it. Just take your time. It's worth it. Trust me.
Don't do it.
Try.
Tell him, DJ.
Try a little harder.
Just give it that little extra. You know, that clunking in the front right that you hear? Address it. Because it's only gonna get worse. Dude, it looks really nice in here.
Cleaning it up.
What are you talking about?
It looks nice now, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? You haven't said what you think yet, did you?
On the camera? No, I haven't been on the camera.
What do you think?
Let them know your thoughts.
What do you think of this? Look at it. It looks great.
No, it's like a pretty decent looking S chassis, so there's that, which is a good thing, right? Because there's not a lot of decent looking S chassis. It's all one color aside from the carbon hood. So the chassis, after Jimmy yanks the heart out of it, is still good for something, right?
Yeah.
So either way, it'll get the Civic down the road for now.
And that's the important thing right now.
Yeah, and it's still it's a clean car, and I mean really, if you pulled the motor out, you could probably get rid of this pretty quickly and not lose any money. But we'll see what happens to it.
Yeah, I got cash for you.
Yeah, what are you gonna do? Sell it 3 weeks later? Get out of here.
All right, well, this is me at home, 11 o'clock at night, because all of the rest of the clips on the camera got corrupted. Whatever, it wasn't really too much stuff missed. It was just kind of me talking quite a bit. So we didn't get the wrench in today. We're going to save that for probably tomorrow. My ass has been beat working on the Z, so I decided to take it easy for today, and I'm excited. So I hope you guys are pumped on the car. I know it might seem a little confusing to you guys why I bought a whole car, but the deal was there, and I'm so focused on getting the Honda back together that this was kind of my only option at this point. So it'll all work out in the end, and I think I'll make up pretty well. So we got a lot of work ahead of us, like a lot. So we got to get right to it, and it'll all be worth it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.